We just need more out of you in the classroom. That's all.
If you're missing clamps, you got some extra clamps over here. We got some more clamps on here.
So this is our team. We got Team OAI. I believe this is the 5th cohort, the 5th class we've done with OAI.
Yes, sir.
This is their 2nd day of hands-on. So they're putting together a large solar array. We taught these guys very well, guys and ladies. We actually have 3 wonderful women in this classroom that's kicking ass. Here's one of our ladies, star women here working, taking care of business. As our instructor, Jeanette, she's doing a wonderful job teaching these individuals. She is from cohort 2. And here's some of our star players doing a wonderful job. So if any employers are looking at this post, you can see that these guys know what's going on. Actually got 2 different classes together. He's one of our star players from Puerto Rico. Just came up just to take our workshop. He'll be going back to Puerto Rico to teach what he learned. The IBEW trail in here. We work with the IBEW as well. Okay. They're doing a wonderful job. So if anybody's interested in taking our solar workshop training, give me a call. And we'll see you guys at the next class.